In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Wix Studio to the Wix Classic Editor. Transitioning from one platform to another might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure the process is as smooth as possible. Let's get started by heading over to Wix Studio. If you're involved in web development or design, Wix Studio is undoubtedly familiar territory. It's a robust platform tailored for agencies and enterprises, but if you're looking to make the shift back to the more commonly used Wix Classic Editor, the process is straightforward. Begin by navigating to the Wix Studio website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button in the top right corner. This will direct you to the login page where you'll see several options to sign in. For ease, let's use the Continue with Google option. This choice is convenient as it streamlines your access using your Google credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look for the Settings option, usually available on the sidebar. It's crucial to adjust the settings because this is where all the primary configuration changes begin. Once you click on Settings, you may encounter a prompt or message that asks whether you're not a freelancer or agency. If you're neither, it's a clear indication that shifting from the Wix Studio platform might be beneficial, particularly if those features aren't fitting your needs anymore. You'll then see the option to find out more about switching. Clicking on this will give you a detailed overview of what the transition entails. It's important to read through this carefully to understand the changes you're about to make. By now you should have a clear picture of the implications, particularly the fact that switching will result in losing access to some of the advanced features that Wix Studio offers. This step-by-step understanding is crucial because knowing what to expect helps prevent unwelcome surprises later. When you feel ready to proceed, you'll need to acknowledge the change by confirming that you understand you'll lose access to all Studio features. It's a vital checkpoint to ensure you're fully prepared for the transition. Now for the final step, find and click on the Leave Wix Studio button. This decisive action will initiate the switch to the Wix Classic Editor. And just like that, you've successfully switched from Wix Studio to the Wix Classic Editor. Remember, while the two platforms have their differences, Wix Classic Editor is a user-friendly environment that supports a wide range of functionalities for everyday website management. If you have any further questions or run into issues during your transition, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy website building.